Don't know where to put your drink down? Problem solved! With this hack, hanging up pictures will be child's play. Perfect! It looks like the drain is clogged. Unblock it in a jiffy by using baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and hot water. Empty a bottle of water down the drain to clear the blockage. The effect will be immediate. Here's an anti-waste hack. Doing this, the package is quickly emptied and without any waste. Worn out socks? Reuse them like this. Your pots and pans will now be scratch-proof. You're probably not using hairbands correctly. The ears must be placed to the rear and are used to tie up your hair. Much better. Without a soap dish, your soap will leave gooey residue on the sink. Try this DIY solution. Handy! When entertaining at home, double up your trash bags. This way, you'll save loads of time. Before putting away your belts, do this. Neat and tidy. Sometimes, candles don't burn evenly, but there's a simple way to fix this problem. This way, the heat will be distributed evenly, melting all of the wax.